friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And there is a bell icon just beside the subscribe button. Please click on that as well, so you will be notified all the time whenever I put a new video. Chalo. So let's get back to this video and this topic. So basically, this video is about this box right here. So this is Smytten, and there is an app called Smytten from where you can buy 6, 5, 4, 3 whatever trial products, and they comes for free. Yes, you heard me right, free. So why am I making this video is I had posted a video on this app on this topic a few months back. So people did like the video, but there were several comments that it is not free, you are paying the shipping charges, how come it is free, you are paying this much amount, this and that. So that's why I'm making this video, to tell you how it is free and what all benefits you can get with it and how you can utilize the entire concept of this app. So if you're interested to know how to get these free products and what is the concept and what is the actual theory behind this concept, then please keep on watching. So this app you can download from App Store or Play Store. I will give the link in the description box, so if you want to download this app, you can definitely go and download. So basically I'm going to tell you how this app works first. So you get 6 trial points. Some products takes 1 trial point or 2 trial point, or some products takes 3, 4, 5. So you have to add 6 products of 1 trial point each, or else whatever that product taking trial points, you have to just add 6 trial points products in the cart. Once you have added all the products in the cart, you'll get a message that you have finished all your trial points, so you may proceed for the checkout. You go, you check out, then they'll ask your address and all the details, your name and your contact number, email address, everything. Then you have to go further. Then you have to pay 199 rupees. So once you pay 199 rupees, why 199? You were saying that this is free. Then why am I paying 199? So yeah, you must have heard about shipping charges. Yeah, so this is the shipping charges. And these are the shipping charges once you pay. Once your payment is successful and your order is placed, so you get 169 rupees back in your wallet. Okay? So whenever you can use those 169 rupees while shopping in 25 days. You have to use that in 25 days. That is the validity of that 169 cashback. Otherwise, it will just get expired and you won't be able to use that. So make sure if you buy and if you get a cashback, then you have to use it in 25 days. So whenever you shop, there are two sides of this app. One side there is a shopping side and one side is a trial side. On that trial side you get 6 points every time. So you can buy 6 products or 6 trial points value products. And one side you have shopping side where you get normal, like it's a normal app wherever you get like normal shopping app, like other shopping apps, Flipkart, Amazon, whatever. You just have to select your favorite products, you have to just scroll, explore whatever you like. There is plenty of discount on this app. So you get discount plus this 169 rupees cashback you have, so you can redeem it. If you buy a product of 300 rupees, you can minus 169 rupees from that. So like that you can use it. And it just comes in like 2 to 3 days, it doesn't even take that long. So this is about this all about this concept. Why do I appreciate and why do I support this concept? Because it's a unique concept. Like, see, you have to sell yourself, right? If you want to grow. This app gotten this idea and came up with this concept. They are selling their app and they are giving offers to people. Whenever you see, oh my god, this is so expensive, I can't buy it. But when you see 50% discount, oh wow, or buy one get one free, oh wow, I'll buy this. You go and check out other products too. So that is what it is. once you have to once you buy all these 6 trial products and you pay $199 for shipping, why they're giving $169 back? To engage with you, to keep you as their customer. So you know my $169 is locked up over there. Let me buy something so I can take utilize my 169 rupees. So that's how you work, and that's how you sell your product, and that's how you grow. So that's why I like that idea, and I truly support them, because it's business and they have a very strong business mind, and I really appreciate that. So come on, let's just open this box and let's see what I have got and what I have to show you all. So this is how this box looks like, and let me just open this and show you. So this is how it came. So I love this concept, because we all know plastic is banned in India, and I truly support that. So because of that, they didn't give bubble wrap. They have this paper packaging which looks like, there's a bird. I don't know what that bird called, but there's a bird nest kind of this shape. I just don't know why it's not coming on my, it's just there in my head, but it's just not coming on my tongue. So this is what the packaging looks like. So this is how it is, and there are these glass jars. I hope you can see. So let me just take all in the box and just keep this aside. I liked it, you can't use plastic and you shouldn't use plastic, so they have gotten this idea, and it helped. None of it got spillage, breakage, nothing. So the first product I'm going to show you is this. It's a Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, and this retails for 175 rupees. So I have paid only 199 rupees. Upon that, I have gotten back 169 rupees, and this first product is for 175 rupees. You can see how much money you can save. Okay, so you all know about Plum brand, and I actually wanted to try this green tea night gel, and I'm so happy that I ordered this sample size product, so I can literally give my judgments on this product, and if I like it, then I can buy it, because I don't want to spend money on products which I'm not gonna use after 1 or 2 usage. So yeah, this is the first product, and I'm not gonna review, or I'm not gonna open and show you how these products are. Let me just show you the consistency. But it is sealed. Chalo, I'll just open. So this is the gel sort of consistency. It's not sticky at all. It's a gel, so it's not sticky at all, and it has a mild fragrance in it of green tea and something else too. It has a mild fragrance. So yeah, this is the first product, and I'm gonna definitely do a video on review of these products, or I'll just do get unready with me, or else I'll just do my skincare routine with these products, and so you can understand. So yeah, this is the second product. It's from Ollie I Spy. It's a soothing under eye jelly which has aloe vera and cucumber. You all know I keep crying about my under eyes because I have a sleeping disorder, and upon that my schedule is not right. I'm just always, I don't sleep, I don't get proper sleep, proper 8-hour sleep, so that's why I have this. So they haven't mentioned any price on this, but they said that it has aloe vera, eucalyptus oil, cucumber, essential oils, vitamin E, and let me show you. So it comes in a nice glass jar, like a tub, and this is how it looks like. This is also a gel, and okay, it has essential oil, so definitely it's gonna have a mild smell. It has nice fragrance and it's not greasy again. So this next product is from Fuchsia brand, and it is a detox face mask, activated charcoal. I always tell you guys how much I like activated charcoal. It literally completely detoxify your skin, completely cleanse your skin, deeply cleanse your skin. So when I saw it, I was like, I need to grab this. And it retails for 75 rupees. It's a 15-gram product. And let me just open it. Okay, there it is. All these tubs are nice glass package, like not packaging. These tubs are like, even if these are trial products, but still they have given glass packaging. I like it. This is how it looks like. It smells like a little bit of charcoal, but it has that face pack, like the authentic face pack smell. And it has rose water, kaolin light china clay, glycerine, aloe vera, bentonite powder, charcoal powder, clove oil, and vitamin E. All these products are really nice for your skin. I am literally looking forward to use this and enjoy the benefits of it. And I'm pretty much sure that I'm going to love this product. I will link all the products in my description box, so you can buy them individually also. I'm going to leave the link of this app also, so if you want to buy these trial products first and then go for the bigger size product, then that is also you can do. And I would suggest you to do that only if it suits you. If it works for you, then only go for the bigger size product. So the next product is from Just Herbs brand, and I used to have a subscription boxes earlier. So I got so many products from this brand, and I really like this brand. It is completely herbal. All these products are completely herbal, no parabens, no silicone, no SLS, no chemicals. So this is for oily and combination skin, and I have oily and combination skin, and because of this heat, I literally feel my skin is really too oily now. Instead of combination. So it is Lively Clean Honey Exfoliating Face Cleansing Gel. It's exclusive for Smytten, so I guess it's just there on Smytten, and it's about 25 ml, and the price is 165 rupees. So if you all literally plus add all these prices, it's gonna go beyond 500 and more. So this is a plastic bottle. It has very herbal smell, like fragrance. So yeah, this is the fourth product. Let's move on to the fifth product. So this is again Just Herbs. So it is Insta Glow Almond Complexion Pack. No, they haven't mentioned the price. This is of 20 gram, and this is how it looks like. It's a face pack. So yeah, almond is very good for your skin. So the next product, it's again a mask. It's activated charcoal tea tree 3-in-1 mud mask. It's from Sage Apothecary. I can't pronounce this. Apothecary. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm so sorry. I can't pronounce it. This is how it looks like. And if you all know what is this pronunciation, please let me know in my comment box. So let me just open and show it to you. This is how it looks like. It actually has that charcoal and muddy smell, and I didn't expect this strong fragrance, so it just came. So I was like, oh. So anyway, so this is the product, and it retails for 210 rupees. So I completely forgot to tell you all about the Skittles packet, and
this little pouch here. It's quite spacious pouch with one zip, and it's a one compartment pouch, but it's a quite spacious. You can see the size. I completely forgot about this to tell you. So you get this pouch and this Skittles packet along with this Smytten box if you order it right now in this festive season. Isn't it cool? I just love this.
So you get like the entire list of trial products, and you have literally too many options. You can go and select them. If you don't like one product, you can go for another. If you add one product and then you think that no, I don't want that, I want this one which you see next, you can literally remove that product, the previous product, and go for the next one. The choice is completely yours. These are the products which you buy, which you select for yourself, and then you pay 199 rupees as shipping charges and 169 you get back in your wallet, so you can buy another product and deduct this 169 rupees from the amount of that product. Isn't it fun and cool? I really appreciate this concept, and I support them. I am in love with this app. This is my third or fourth purchase, and look, you're just paying this much and you're getting this much, so it's fine. Okay, so everything will be there in the description box if you want to buy the products individually, or else if you want to buy the from the app, or if you want to get the trial products from the app. Everything will be there in the description box. I hope you must have liked this video. I hope I've given enough justification and clarification and explanation about this app and these products. If yes, then give me a big fat thumbs up to this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And all my social media links are also there in the description box, so do not forget to follow me on my social media, because I'm more active over there in my stories and everything. You can get to see my everyday life, and I give small reviews on my Instagram stories, so you can get to see that as well. So do like, share, follow and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you think about this video, or if you want any like explained review of any of these products. I'll see you next time in the next video. Till the time, bye.